Enhance your car's performance with the right air intake system. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on choosing the best value performance air intake systems for your vehicle. The air intake system is crucial for your car's performance. It supplies the engine with the air it needs to run efficiently. Upgrading to a performance air intake system can boost horsepower, torque, and fuel efficiency. An air intake system consists of the air filter, mass airflow sensor, throttle body, and intake manifold. Each component plays a vital role in ensuring your engine receives clean air. Upgrading your air intake system can significantly increase your engine's horsepower and torque. Enjoy better acceleration and a more responsive ride. Plus, improved fuel efficiency means lower fuel consumption and cost savings. Many performance air intake systems are designed for easy installation, making them a great project for car enthusiasts. Whether you choose to install it yourself or have a professional do it, upgrading your air intake system is a rewarding experience. When choosing a performance air intake system, consider compatibility material, filter type, brand reputation, and price. Ensure the system fits your specific make and model. Aluminum and plastic are common materials, each with its own benefits. Choose between reusable cotton filters or disposable paper filters based on your maintenance preferences. Opt for trusted brands and consider the long-term benefits when weighing the price. By taking the time to choose the right air intake system, you can enhance your car's performance, improve fuel efficiency, and enjoy a rewarding upgrade. Happy upgrading!